But the bell is about to ring, and it's expected to be a very quiet start. The Nifty has opened up 17 points higher. The sensex up 20, 35, 50 points, so absolutely flat. But the action is in the broader market. So the mid-cap index is again going for itself. It's up close to about 0.4%. In terms of the big movers, let me start with the gainers list. UPL is the top Nifty gainer, a rally of 1.2% as the board approves a 4,200 crore rights issue. NTPC is in focus. Their renewable energy unit has won a bid for 900 megawatts of solar projects. So that's got the stock a bit higher in trade. You've got metal stocks, steel stocks, JSW Steel, Tata Steel opening higher as the dollar index has retreated to a 5-month low. So metals as an index is doing well. A couple of pharma names like Divi's, Apollo in the green, Apollo Hospitals. On the losing side, IT. In fact, the top 5 Nifty losers are IT names, led by Infosys with that MOU cancellation. It's a large one, $1.5 billion over 10 years. Stock is down 2%. Wipro sees some of its momentum fade. Last week on Friday, it gained 6.6%. Of that, 1.5% has been given off. Tech Mahindra, TCS, HCL Tech also down in sympathy with a cut of close to about 0.5%. But still very, very quiet on the frontline indices.
Mid-caps, well, there's some flair and some activity over here. A couple of the PSUs are still running. That's a dominant theme. BEL, of course, also reacting to favorable brokerage commentary that the stock finds itself surrounded by. 2.5% up on BEL. Then you have some more names like Hindustan Copper, NALCO, MMTC. So basically the metals complex, particularly some of the PSU metal stocks, are doing quite okay today. You've got some momentum on TV18 Broadcast Network 18, the companies that run and operate the channel you're watching. Some news around, some buzz and news around potential deals over there. Then the other gainers would include an Adani Green. There's a lot of chatter around the board meeting where Adani Green could be looking at fresh fundraising, 2.5% up on that stock. Delivery is having a good morning, 2.5% up straight away as we start off. Castrol, Krishna Medical, PNC Infra. These are some of the other stocks that are finding some takers early on in the morning. Otherwise, it is quiet, no denying that. But these are the early movers. RBL Bank, favorable news as the RBI appointed director's term finally comes to an end after 2 years. So that one's up and about as well. Some profit taking on Lemon Tree is quite evident, but Chalet Hotels on the other side opened out positive. Hotel stocks in focus as the holiday season rolls on. Speaking of holidays, Prashant, they're really quiet. At least the index is taking it easy as the week starts off.
No, absolutely. I mean, it's the index level absolutely quiet. But, at the broader level, there is, I think, a fair bit which is going on. So maybe look at, I think we guys mentioned BEL, Bharat Electronics, is the largest volume-led gainer with a 3% gain, but volumes are very large.